This avian warrior leaps over 30 stories in one single bound. But before such mastery, it was a fragile, flightless hatchling. Inside its belly, a small flame sac burns constantly for warmth. However, the harsh mountain winds threaten to extinguish this vital fire. Desperately, the torchic huddles near volcanic vents to maintain body temperature. It must consume dry, combustible berries to fuel its internal furnace. Yet, a starving Poochyena smells the chick's fear in the air. The torchic spews small embers, distracting the predator long enough to flee. Years of survival trigger a drastic metamorphosis into the awkward combustion. Its wings are useless, so it must rely on powerful legs. Instinctively, it practices high-speed sprints across these rugged, uneven volcanic flats. Attempting a crushing kick, it strikes a boulder but recoils in pain. Its bones are not yet dense enough to shatter solid stone. Undeterred, the adolescent repeats the strike until its shins become iron. Consequently, it abandons pecking to focus entirely on devastating lower body strikes. Soon, its internal temperature rises drastically, signaling the final fiery ascension. Erupting with intensity, the Blaziken stands tall, wreathed in scorching flames. Uniquely, intense fire now bursts from its wrists during combat maneuvers. A territorial Aggron blocks the path, trusting its heavy steel armor. Effortlessly, the Blaziken clears a 30-story height to bypass the defense. Gravity accelerates the descent as its leg ignites into pure plasma. The superheated impact melts through the steel plating, ending the dispute. Every opponent faces incineration against this master of aerial martial arts. Truly, no barrier is too high for this blazing combat emperor.